everyone. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of some earrings I bought from a local business called Phoenix Clay Co. She makes handmade earrings and I'm currently wearing a pair that I've ordered. I've ordered a couple pairs from her and she had a Valentine's Day sale. So I figured with it being so close to Valentine's Day, I would like to have a pair of Valentine's Day themed earrings. So here we go. Here's the box. She put a cute sticker with her company's name on it. So she has had her company for I believe about a year or a little over a year. You can find her on Instagram. We've known her for several years. She lives about 10 minutes away, 15 minutes away from us, so she's not too far away. So she is very local to our area, but she does ship throughout the US. Oh, look at this. Wow, that's so cute. The cute little sticker right there. And in her boxes, she usually puts like a little thank you card and a sticker. And she sent a scrunchie this time, and I got a pink one. It's cute. I might share it with Avery. And then these were the pairs that I ordered. They're studs. So I really like this set. It just has the two different color bows and I really love the purple. It's so cute. And then the hearts have like different designs. Yeah, and they're really good quality. The earrings I have lasted quite a bit of time. And then the first pair I ordered I believe was in May. And yeah, they're still in good quality. They hold up really well. And then I also, for purchasing these earrings, I got a free pair. So I purchased this pair, or this set I should say, and I was entered in a giveaway for a free pair of earrings, and she did a little roulette and chose my name and I got lucky and I won. Highly recommend you go check out her Instagram page. We'll leave her information in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.